Okay, I'm back with the Mauser, the Yugoslavian Mauser M2447 once again. And this time I'm using the Persian 1930s era, I think it's 1930s, surplus ammunition. I know a lot of people are interested in seeing how that stuff works. So this will be a function test for that as well. Hopefully they all fire, but more than likely I'll get more than one, either hang up, hang fire, or just a total dud. That looks like that was a dud. Wait for about 30 seconds before I eject this. More than likely what I'll do, I'll probably wind up just scavenging maybe the bullets, maybe the powder, see if the powder is ignitable, and the casings. That's what a lot of people have done with this ammo since it's so unreliable. I'm even having trouble with it feeding. We'll give this one more try. See what happens. Once again, another dud, or at least another misfire. So we'll pretty much just bag all this stuff and just scavenge the parts out of it.